Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I talk about how to practice communication skill using some other platform or the something. So I give the some other platform, so you go and try those platforms. So this might be helpful. So why I'm saying means we are the trying to improve our communication skill. So we are doing it yourself, it is good for us, but we could the practical it is important. If you're trying to communicate with the strangers or with the people, so that is a most important, guys. So I will share some platform you go and try. So first of all, the free talk for, so it is useful for the, in my opinion, I will be surely recommended for this for you, because of, yeah, we can speak the other country people or inside of the country people, whatever language you will be the trying to improve your communication skills, you go on to speak. So initially it is some people are thinking it is wrong, or it is don't work. So I think in my opinion it is good for us, because of we are the practice communication skill with the stranger. Yeah, we can speak easily English. I am also using that platform every day, because of I'm speaking with the stranger. It is might be helpful for me, I think, because of the boost my the confidence. And I think another it is free talk. So and a HelloTalk also there. So if you want to, you go on the visit that app. So it will be the helpful, I think. I don't know that will be the app or platform. Uh, so I am using the web-based application only. Like the free talk 4, it is the most important. I am using that. It is a huge impact for me. I am practicing my communication skills with the stranger, so it is a boost my confidence even. And so if you are practicing, so like use this application. So and also I have had some information for that. So the practicing is a most important part in my opinion. So the practicing with the stranger or with the platform, the ChatGPT and the Gemini AI. Yeah, you can speak with the AI. So that will be, instead of they will be given the correction. So you could the practice the communication that platform using. So they might be helpful for your improve your communication skills. I'm also speaking with the applications also. They might be helpful for me improve the lot initially. I'm not like, but they might be helpful for me, because of I haven't anyone, so I don't know some other application. Instead of I'm trying some other AI application, and this kind of the platform improve my communication skills. This is initially it is a struggling. Initially we haven't the confidence how to start, how to speak, because of we are speaking with myself or with the your close circle. They can usually speak, but if suddenly some stranger it will be appears, or stranger it will be came to speak with you, it is a struggling that time. So I realized even my friends also they realized this. So in one of my friends, he has a skill, but he can't at the fluency at the English. He haven't the confidence, but he's struggling a lot. But even I'm also the struggling a lot, but I'm good the practicing myself. I'm improving myself. So these are the scenario I'm said. So I think you practicing much important. So whatever it is, I think if you practicing using the applications, or if you practicing with your own, so whatever it is a good for you, your communication skills. So it is a day by day improve. I think every person, but you put the practice. It is a much important. If you haven't any application, so it is a completely free for I am said those applications. So if you want to try it and give the review for my comment section, I am open it. So you put the practice, it is the most important, I think. So whatever it is, so I think this video is enough for I will end it now. So thanks for the watching. So if you like this video, or if you useful this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe, so that is a boost my confidence. I am motivate to more video create for you. So thanks for the watching. So we're gonna see next video. Or don't wait for the perfect time. It's a never came, guys. Okay, bye. We're gonna see you tomorrow.